Good evening, students. Now I am going to start chapter 3rd of this unit, the print revolution and its impact. First of all, what was the print revolution? What do you mean by print revolution? Students, print revolution is basically the changes that took place in the field of print before printing presses were invented by Gutenberg. It was not just a development, a new way of producing books. It transformed the lives of people, changing their relationship to information and knowledge, and with institutions and authorities. It influenced popular perceptions and opened up new ways of looking at things. Students, these are the impact of print revolution on the lives of pupil. So this is an important question for your board examination. The question is, what was the print revolution and what was the impact of print revolution? So you have to give the answer of this question like that. The impact of print revolution. First point is the shift from hand printing to mechanical printing is known as the print revolution. This was a great change at that time when print culture had changed from hand printing to mechanical printing. Then, second point, it led to the growth and development in technique and production of books. Third point, it transformed the lives of people by opening the door of knowledge to a vast literate population. It also changed pupils' relationship to information and knowledge and with institutions and authorities. And fourth point is it influenced pupils' perceptions or conception and opened new ways of looking at things. So this is the answer of that question. Let us explore some of these changes. Whatever changes I have told you now, we will explore some of these changes ahead. A new reading public. With the printing press, a new reading public emerged. Printing reduced the cost of books, the time and labor required to produce each book came down, and multiple copies could be produced with greater ease. Books flooded the market, reaching out to an ever-growing readership. Students, after the invention of printing press, there was a large production of books and the market were flooded with books all around. Therefore, a new reading public emerged. Therefore, books were produced by machines. The cost of books also reduced and the time and labor required to produce each book came down, and therefore multiple copies could be produced easily. It was the time when supply of the books could match the demand of the books and reaching out to an ever-growing readership. Access to books created a new culture of reading. Earlier, reading was restricted to the elites. Common people lived in a world of oral culture. They heard sacred texts read out, ballads recited, and folk tales narrated. Knowledge was transferred orally. People collectively heard a story or saw a performance. As you will see in chapter 8, they did not read a book individually and silently. Students, now pupil could easily reach to the books, which created a new culture of reading. Earlier, reading was restricted to the elites. Elite means a social group that is thought to be the best or most important because of its power or money. Common people could not read at that time. They could only heard and talk. They heard sacred texts, that is connected with God or religion, which read out by others. Ballads means a long song or poem that tells a story often about love. which were recited, and folk tales narrated. Folk tales means a very old traditional story that has been passed down from one generation to another in a spoken form that was narrated. Before the age of print, books were very expensive and limited. Their production was very slow. But now books could reach out to wider sections of people due to the large scale production of books. There was a hearing public in earlier time who could only heard and talk, but now reading public came into being.